we slash
You operator.
Casimir's major. Alright, where are we?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Who's he?
Casimir's
I
gaming.
haven't.
I see.
Okay.
Jamie C.
I see. You piece of shit. I see.
Jamie said sing first.
I was found last. Shut up. I was here first too.
I want to find the hiding spots.
No, Jeremy, go. I see.
Correct. I'll stand up here and
Okay, guys, come here. Let's calm down.
Alright. I'll be on top, looking at the ceiling. Actually, I'll look down.
I'm fighting an abyss mage. Happy might. I'm
Oh
fire.
God. What are you doing?
That's a luxurious chest.
Ow! Fire support.
Who shot that barrel?
Maybe it might be me. I'm just shooting, I don't know.
But I just spot a supernova.
I'm getting hurt more from you guys' fire than they're hurting.
I'm sorry.
I am almost dead.
I'll get that guy.
That fucker up there.
I'll get that guy there. Yeah, woo, yeah. I'm doing 28 damage to him, guys. I got him.
Yes, precious chest. Thank you. That's all I wanted. Let's go back.
Alright. So, Jamie seeking.
To press bird.
No, I'm seeking.
No,
Bird.
I'm seeking.
no.
Ah!
Let's go.
Piece of shit.
Alright,
You. Let's
I'm
go.
gonna start.
Okay.
There we
hold
go.
on. I'm
Jeremiah.
Yes.
The timer.
Bye,
Jeremiah.
Lord of Vapor 2.
I'm going.
Okay, so the timer 3, 2, 1.
Yeet.
Brigade Barber 2.
I missed.
Fuck you.
Beidou, you have hot ties.
Thank you, child.
Okay.
Beidou is a guy.
No.
No.
No,
No.
I do not believe.
I hear the voice. Oh, he
25 seconds.
Sweet.
Uh-huh.
I hear the voice.
20 seconds.
Oz is. If one must. What is it? Indeed,
Fuck up, Oz.
What I.
Main,
Oz is. I.
main
10
fruit,
seconds.
main fruit, main fruit,
Meme.
main.
Meme.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go. Oh god, where the hell is this place?
Oh, no. I don't even know what this place is called. Is it Lingju Pass? No.
Tenchu alien something.
Stand shoot.
Jiangqiu Valley.
Thank you,
Thank
value.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pally.
Thank you, Valley.
Another test subject. Wait. You're looking at something. The enemies are looking at something. Hold on. I think I may have just found someone.
Oh god, there's already 3D porn of Lisa, Amber,
no.
and Barb.
Link, please.
No.
Damn.
Yes.
Okay.
I
It's not
think-
even that good, honestly.
Wow.
Down. I'm Snake.
They do Pokemon.
I know.
Never.
Barbara
Barbara.
Please.
Who's that Geomate you have still?
King. I can't remember Kaiju's name.
Nyan
Guan.
Guan Nian.
There's porn of her.
Oh damn it.
I mean, she's in the story too, you know.
There's so many fucking Paimon.
Now you guys
There's another Paimon Doujin, I think.
People be like, no, I'm not a pedophile, but Paimon.
Yum, I eat Paimon. No.
Paimon got me acting strange.
So. Where the hell? Why is everything really dark? Everything's really dark.
It's nighttime.
No, it's
Yeah.
extremely dark.
Guess you're something darkness. Who's
Yeah,
this?
well, I am official, of course.
It's Drury. And there aren't any birds here. I'm gonna use my
Foul.
psycho.
I'm gonna find a damn foul on the floor. There's some foul dropping onto the floor.
If you see fall on the floor, it's a sign of your son. He's been there.
Oh, I see foul. Hey, 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 you in that building. It was a mistake to shoot.
Zutta Maya Nakade no
Good found. It's,
Yaki, yaki.
if your son found,
Where did he go?
No, he hasn't found me yet.
okay, your son is found.
He hasn't found me yet. Go away.
Oz, reveal thyself.
No.
Damn it. Fine, whatever.
How do you drop perfectly into the hole?
It's called skill.
Another test.
Oh my, wait a minute. Master Chief is waiting for Smash Bros. Invitation.
No,
Master
no, EXP, no!
The wrong test subject.
I'll part of my master plan.
Don't kill! No! The Mora! No! The Mora!
No.
Don't kill!
Where will you be? No. Ah! I'm routing!
Did he drown?
He did.
I just saw him jump down and he drowned immediately. I just see a sparkle in the water. What the hell? A blue ass cockroach.
What a fucking reaction! What the hell?
What the hell?
Okay, I'm the only one left. Grace was your phone.
Yeah, it's fun.
I saw the process of both Yuson and Grace getting found.
You found the process?
I
saw.
He's hiding. Okay, I have an idea where he might be.
It's on a tree.
Found him?
Real shit.
I knew it! I knew you were here! I knew you were here!
How do you know?
I was gonna use that hiding spot.
Alright, so still searching.
You fucking glided here. I wanted to move,
I'm
but I fell.
searching!
Still seeking now.
I'm searching!
Wait, we're doing this by order. I'm searching.
Go to the main.
Where were you still?
Correct. Alright, back home. Still down there.
Where were you still?
He's down there. Like behind the pillar.
Oh yeah, okay.
The,
Piece of shit.
the seeker goes up.
Okay, do you want to include like the right part? Space?
Yeah.
The right part? Like,
Sure.
like the entire lake?
Oh god.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going there.
Alright, see you there.
Alright, is everyone here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I better not drown here.
Time to act.
Oh,
Oh god, I'm nearly drowned.
45 seconds. Your water.
Bruh. Water here boss music. Oh, it's over there.
Time to
Red team
act.
fighting. 35 seconds.
Why is that gold?
Because, 25
It's
seconds.
Really
I
dark.
just got gold.
Se- 17, 15 seconds.
Time to act.
Eight, 6, 5, 4,
No, P.
3,
Actually no.
2, 1.
We are alive.
Oh.
Oh my god, May as James May.
Who?
May,
Yeah. Our
Okay.
classmate, James.
her name.
Amazing.
James
She's
May
also
of
British.
the book.
Welcome back. Gear Mike's
Cars.
tonight on
Welcome back to
Gear.
Bottom Gear. On this episode of Bottom Gear. Cars.
Foul. Hell yeah.
2001 Chevy Highlander.
Oh, help.
We've been here.
Help me, mate. There's a boss fight, mate. An enemy. I'm 1000 HP, mate.
Die.
Goodbye. If you
Die.
die, we win.
If you die, we will get XP.
If you die, we win.
I'm reading a book.
Oh, that's a good idea, actually, Jeremy. While waiting to get found, just read all of the book in the
no,
inventory.
no, my character himself is reading a book.
Oh,
Singchiu reads books.
Fucking nerd.
Lumao. It's my birthday.
Man, I hate when this niggas just.
this is extreme hide and seek. There are monsters around, and we're playing hide and seek.
Oh, we did it still. We found Neural sisters.
Who?
Wishlash, Blemishine, and
Is
Neural.
it not actual sister? No actual sister.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were like joking.
Blemishine is the actual sister. Slash is the auntie.
I never embark on a journey
Damn
without a
old.
good book to
Sophia.
Like
accompany me.
Slash. She looks like Tamamo.
I don't even know what she looks like.
It's Google.
Just picture Neural.
Yes, okay.
Now that looks like
Picture
Tamamo.
Neural. Picture Neural with a whip.
Hot.
Hot.
I agree. No fan.
Where the hell are you guys?
I'm on the right side of the lake.
You're gonna tell me. You're confident in your spot.
I'm not really hiding actually. I'm just
I'll
waiting
say
for
I've
you to come
seen
here.
Stale once.
Is that you, August? Wait a minute.
I'll just tell you that my camera is a shit.
I'm in first person.
No, that's not you. That's a fucking plant.
Wow.
Amazing.
All
Empty
will be
plant.
revealed in the next volume? Oh, drat.
Like, look at the screenshot I sent and look at that small green fucking thing.
Where's the green thing?
Oh my god, I'm loading. Oh my god.
This is green.
It's not dying.
It's a myth, bro. You take
That
fantasy.
doesn't mean.
Hello, Santi. These ruins are so big.
Surprisingly,
It's
compared
nice.
to Springville.
There's the NPC.
Yeah.
Nandakore.
I saw Fenty.
No, you didn't.
I see you. You're on the ice. What are you doing?
He's vibing.
You're
hiding.
fighting. You're fighting. What do you mean?
He's vibing.
I'm being assaulted, okay? That's not such rare.
Lumao.
You're pawn.
You'll never catch me alive. Ah!
Kill this.
I can't kill that. It's out of my element.
I'm not in my
Please. I'm 1000 HP.
I'm sorry still.
I'm so you can. Huh, I'm not getting XP.
If my
You're not
calculations
getting the
are
XP?
correct,
I
Oh, it's
Wonwin
Snoopy.
Bookhouse is due to receive a batch of new releases today.
Down.
Might we add a small
Please
detour
help me.
to
I'm
our
1000
adventure?
HP. Help me.
Oh my god.
I'm on the lake.
Kill him.
Actually, never mind. I did it. Okay, XP. I'll use this to fucking find you guys.
You'll use murder.
I haven't got.
Any of you on that right side of the lake?
I don't think they are. I didn't see anyone go here.
Okay. Inside then. Because I haven't checked the insides of all the buildings.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
What was the character saying? Oh my goodness. Oh my
All will
gosh.
be revealed in the next volume? Oh, drat.
Oh God, I...
Have you found anyone still?
I found your son.
Okay. Jimmy, how's your spot?
I'd say I've seen Steel once.
Did any of you see me?
Once.
Now, this is what I call a moment of solitude.
Stop spinning your sword.
Okay. I don't think I saw the building still.
What if they're on the spawn?
That would be big brain.
Possible.
They're
Oh
on
my
the spawn.
goodness. Oh my
I think.
gosh.
Oh, my boy.
Wow.
Yes.
All
Yes,
will
maybe.
be revealed in the next
You
volume?
guys, all of you guys playing Genshin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Found
Yeah. You
Waterman.
don't, Leo?
Except me.
Wait, how is Zachary? Where's he hiding?
I'll see you. Sorry.
Behind the waterfall.
You
Oh
passed
my
the
God.
waterfall one.
This is pretty zen.
I am one with my element.
I am climbing.
Yes, I know that.
Time
Oh
to
my
act.
God! Oh, that's retarded. You can behind this waterfall. There's like this gap.
Yeah, you can just stand behind that. Yeah. But on the sides are exposed.
Yeah, basically. Only safe from the front.
Oh, make it quick. I'm inside.
Okay.
I
I'm
saw
feeling you're in like in the main building. The building in the middle, and you're platforming back somehow.
Maybe.
He has to be.
I mean, I'm not playing as a Venti.
Yeah, he has to.
I know, you can still platform here.
Wait,
Time to act.
Venti.
Actually, empty help.
Venti. Barbatos.
Let's play.
Barbato. God.
Barbatos. Yeah, there you go.
Time to act.
I don't think it's here.
How would he get? Oh no. We butchered it.
I don't think it's here.
I don't think so. He could never get up there.
He will never
He
get up
won't.
there.
Fuck. That's fucking me.
You won't.
What happened?
Gets up there, spit cereal.
Behind a staircase, hold on.
Man. I assume he will be like behind a waterfall too.
I told you I'm
Is that
inside.
Building.
Yeah, like maybe inside a waterfall, you know?
That's cringe.
You're cringe.
Damn, I got you good.
Oh
Now, what is that sound?
no, I hear boss music.
Did you all just kill treasure hoarders? Because I found like 2 treasure hoarders insignia on the ground.
Minions. We killed them horribly.
Yeah,
I spy with my little eye. A book. Well, not a book, but a bunch of books.
I know where it is. See you soon.
Oh my god. Is he on the entrance?
There's 3 buildings. It's not in any of the buildings.
I have a small idea.
I hate this Satan one so much.
I have. Let me go check it out. He says he's inside. But where?
Inside. Inside and outside.
Blue his
Blue
house.
is something. Yeah.
The blue yellow window.
I see something that died here.
Where the fuck?
Time to act.
Oh my god, I feel like I have a feeling it's a 10 out of 10 spawn.
Are you in the spawn?
I'm not in spawn.
He's not actually here. What the hell?
Time to act.
I am inside. I see books.
And there's like this three main buildings with books on them.
I went to like the little building on the side here. Hold on.
I'll say that I saw a person.
Body and mind.
One person only?
Yeah, I saw a person.
Okay.
That's a
I'll make
bunch
it
of
quicker.
books.
The person I saw was Venti.
What?
Can't he goes to a lot of places that don't help?
Where do the books go?
A lot of books. I remember a place with a lot of books, but I can't remember where it is.
Isn't it where the teleporter is?
No, there's like a place where it's just a hallway with a lot of books scattered about.
Remember, I'm inside.
But I forgot where that hallway is. Okay, if I'm confusing it with like another one.
I'm gonna check.
It's inside, there's only 3 buildings here, what the hell?
I'm gonna quickly check this. Hold on.
Look at me, Kevin.
I've checked this building, Yasan.
Okay, what did he?
I remember spawn is no books. Did you guys at least check under the stairs or something?
I did,
Oh, okay.
I checked under all the stairs.
Because he did that the last time. And I so happened turned around. Did he like complete a puzzle and drop down or something?
What? That would be dumb. It's like where? It's like.
Oh, that's why I hit the edge of the map.
Again, please.
Body and mind.
I'm at the place with the fire.
What place
This
is the
time,
fire? Wait, like the fire puzzle, I've been there like 3 times.
Yeah, we'll try again.
Somewhere here. Where is he? You know what?
I've been in this fucking building 3 times.
We'll try again.
Wait, let me come over. I swear, did he actually complete the puzzle and jump somewhere? No, he can't. He can't complete the puzzle. He's fire.
Oh, I'm fire. Yeah.
I mean, not fire.
Ice.
I've been through all of the floor. God damn it.
Is he behind the stairs?
No, come to the 3rd floor of the fire building.
Venti went past me.
Do you see? Do you see? Do you see?
Oh my god!
Rain aligns your fate.
I didn't even know you could go there.
Now you know.
I saw Venti doing this, and I thought I got found when he was here. Like Venti was
did
circling
see.
around.
Man,
You got tunnel vision.
Murder!
Alright.
Amazing fucking spot base.
amazing.
Why is everyone steaming?
What?
You know what, I'm gonna change characters.
Why is everyone steaming?
Oh, I don't know.
What do you mean steaming?
Like there's just steam coming out of.
Okay.
I've never realized that the fucking bounce physics on Beidou is ridiculous.
Bounce physics on Beidou.
Yeah, it is.
This is ridiculous. This is way too much.
All the characters are like ridiculous bounce physics.
Same.
Have you
I've
never
never
played
played. No.
Fischl
Because everyone in my
has,
party is fat.
even Fischl has some
Body and mind.
impossible.
Alright, let's go back. Who's seeking?
Yes,
Me,
Yes, finally you're on
finally.
nigger.
Took you long enough.
I don't have an idea on where to hide. I do not.
I do not have an idea where to hide. Alright. Are you all ready?
Yes. Go to the top.
So I'll be MC.
Okay.
Default looking ass. Sister!
Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on, I'm changing real quick.
Can't we all just line up like this? John and Jane Genshin.
You,
Sister,
me,
sister,
brother.
Sister? We would have the same sword.
Wait.
Never mind.
I'm dead, sister.
Alright,
Guys.
Yosan, go up.
Guys.
What's up?
Amy.
The fucking diving animation. Alright, let's. Yosan, you go up there. Where's that man?
Sayonara mo.
Kapag she's gonna jump.
Sana himawawagan.
Alright, Yosan, go up.
Wait, I'm actually gonna roll.
Yosan, go up. Yosan,
Yosan, go up.
Yosan.
Yosan,
You
go.
have to move.
Yes.
Oh, hello.
Yes, my
Alright,
doppelganger and my
Your sister is now
brother.
mine.
alright. 3, 2, 1. I don't have a plan.
I do not have a plan.
Sounds like
I'm
pain
gonna
in
drown.
the ear.
30 seconds. I drowned.
You can spawn right
Take
next to
hiding
me.
spot. In the afterlife.
20 seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Who blocked off the entrance to the building?
Block that in the building.
By the way, I can see a geo rock forming through the building.
Shit. Oh,
Oh wow. Ready or not, guys?
what? Yeah,
Here I
I'm
come.
ready.
I'm not ready.
Be afraid.
My spot's gonna shut.
I don't even think I have a spot.
Use it on one bullshit spot.
My vision is pretty clear. Amy. Amy. That's all. That's all. Amy.
I'm gonna try to do a best shot. I see you. Come.
Wait.
Stop. Wait.
Who do you see? You have to mention.
It's under
You have to
feet over
convey.
you. So, stay out.
Wait, guys. Nobukatsu. FGO Nobukatsu is
Whatever.
real.
What? Yeah, I know
FGO
there's gonna fight.
Nobukatsu. It's real. He's a one.
Stop!
FGO
on
Nobukatsu
here.
is a 1-star.
Kinda epic.
Fucking die.
Did someone just drown?
Yeah, so I just drowned. Ooh, who did it?
I think Blaze drowned. I think Blaze drowned.
Yeah, his health is
Fucking
really
Blaze.
low. All of us are. I like how all of us are on really low HP for some reason. It is. Yeah, Grace did drown.
There face the male.
Oh, there's two males.
Yeah, me and you.
Oh,
Glaze was the male. Never mind. It's new male.
male 2. Guys, we have male and female, but when will like male 2 come out?
Male too. Like a different character model.
Other
Yeah.
Male 2.
gender.
I'm proud to announce that even though my spot is really shit, I haven't been found yet. And usually this is around the time I will be found.
You counted.
Usually.
What? I get up.
It's definitely found.
No.
Jeremy, have you been?
No.
Grace just healed. Grace just healed.
Yeah.
Glaze is already found, damn it.
No, you haven't found me.
Yeah, I did. You're not there. You just fucking died.
No, you didn't.
Shut up.
You didn't catch me.
I'll say I saw all of you.
You saw me?
Some time ago.
Get up.
Oh, my camera's fucked up. I'm playing Genshin Impact in first person. Let's go.
My camera's doing pretty fine.
Has your son actually found anyone?
No.
I found Glaze, but he ran away.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Shut up.
And I don't even know where he is. Where is he?
I lost track of him.
Are you guys together?
No. So far I don't see a single person. Where the hell's your son? I've never seen him. Okay, no man, he's... Wait, that's a female. I just saw a female scale the building.
Stop running.
Wait, did you find stay on running?
I see a boy running.
Stop running. God damn it.
Stale?
Stop running!
Stale?
Yeah?
Oh god.
He actually lost his...
I'm pissed.
Who's running?
Wait, stay out running?
Get out of there. Get out of here.
Who's running?
Stop running.
Who's running?
You have to specify who's running.
Who's running?
Stay on. Stop running.
Am I running?
It might be me.
Shut up.
Am I?
Stay
To
on.
be honest here, Yasan, I didn't even know if you found me or not. I moved because like I thought you found me, but I don't think you actually found me.
No, I
Yeah.
didn't. Stop running.
You gotta give quick calls, man.
Like,
I knew you were working there. I saw your steps.
put your geo shit on him or something.
Finally found me. I'm looking for the others.
You have yet to find me.
Yes.
Nah, me thought again.
I have yet to see Glaze as well.
No idea where you are.
And I never know who is who.
What was your idea to go default?
Look, default looking ass.
Shut up.
Yo, we all looking kind of default. Default blonde hair.
Has any of you actually hidden in the building, in the platforming building in the middle?
No, we don't have NT. I mean, we do have Geo guy,
Okay.
but
It's kind of a pain to get up there.
It's not
My
a pain.
character's not even Geo, I'm Win.
Yeah.
I already found Glaze with fucking piece of shit.
Okay, are you guys inside or outside?
Outside.
outside.
Okay, both of you are outside.
There's nowhere to hide inside. You're gonna check like every single pillar from now on, ever since Glaze put there.
Do you guys count like the river bed on the right side as part of the ruins?
I don't know what the right side is.
I never hit on the right side.
Grace,
I'll say we've,
Grace,
I'm
stop.
I'm
Grace,
in right.
stop scaling the walls, Grace. I see you.
I don't know where you are.
Hello.
It's a duck.
I
I
can't see you. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Hello.
Give me a
I was
ball.
also,
This,
I was also scaling the walls.
Let's go find Jeremy because I know I was scaling this wall and he said that he saw a female scaling, so he's somewhere that where.
Yes.
No,
Who the
I
fuck
think
is
that
that
was me.
Is that him hiding inside the Geo?
Where?
Whose Geo is that? Are you hiding inside the Geo, Jeremy?
Where?
in the middle of the lake.
Where? I don't see you guys.
Oh, it's in the Geo. It's in the Geo.
Actually, I found Jeremy.
Oh, it's this.
Where are you? What the hell? Where did you come from? Where did you come from?
Oh, there he is.
I was trying to take it the same way you did. And then got me to this conclusion.
I can't believe this.
Where's Jeremy?
You're the same person. He's on spawn.
Oh my god.
Okay, so he was hiding here actually.
Yeah,
Like
down
behind
here.
this pillar. Behind this pillar here.
You jumped past me many times. Can you see my
I'm
name?
gone. Sayonara.
Amy. I fall under this
Are we-
pillar.
Are you moving again or what?
Just removing again.
No, I want to find a hiding. I just want a hiding spot.
Okay.
No, we're moving again.
Alright,
I
let's
already
go.
found every hiding spot though.
I'll seek.
Okay.
Okay, we'll move. Finally, you guys want to move.
Okay, I guess.
No, okay.
Lane you pass maybe?
Can you peek? Nah.
Nah, that's too high.
King Peak is a bit weird, I guess. Lane you pass maybe?
Ling you pass, sure.
Yeah, it'll be my last one though.
Okay. See you,